Hello there, this is Jay Bowman from ForexTradingVids.com. I'm doing an update for the currencies, the US dollar in particularly, and then also the euro and a basket of other currencies. So let's get straight to it. What we have here is the monthly. Now the monthly US dollar index has broken on two targets, as I mentioned previously, one taking it down to the 71 level, the other one taking it down to the 72 level. Now we're already on its way, and that really is, there's nothing surprising with that. Now what we have here, this is a weekly flag which has broken, giving us a target of 72 to down to high 72s to mid 72s, right? Now that target's still going as accordingly. Let's go down to the daily. And what we have here on the daily is that we've been having these flags and have been meeting their targets all the way along. So if we took this target, for instance, a break, an actual gap, 74 reached its target here, right? If we take this target on this wild break last week, we get this target here at 73. So basically what we have here now, we have another flag forming, as you can see. And what the target out of that one is that when it does break, we will have the 72.50. So the 72 mark is really where we're heading on the US dollar. No surprise that we're having a bit of a pullback, as it sold off quite rapidly last week. But let's just switch to some of the currencies. Now this one here, euro. Okay, now in the euro, the monthly, it's sort of, it's only got we've only got about a week left, and we need, to be above that for the next target to come to fruition, which would definitely be around the 150 level. But as we can see here on the weekly, that we're butting up against this upwards channel line, and it looks like on the daily, if I just go to the daily quickly, it looks like we're sort of in a reversal mode. Now we had a shooting star here, doji, right, spinning top. These are all reversal candles. Now a bear candle as of today, the 26th of April. So the next sort of form of resistance, support, is roughly around the 142.58 mark. Now I don't actually have any down targets on this euro, but it's looking more bearish than bullish. But either way, it could still support itself on this level here, which is the 144.50. And if it breaks through that, then we do have a downwards target. But considering that the US dollar is going to break to the downside, we'll probably have another push up, to be honest with you. So let's go to the CAD Australian, US dollar Australian. Now just last week we had a good break here on the weekly, giving us a target of the 105 to 16. So we're expecting the Australian dollar to gain in value. So that trade I have on, and obviously having a stop roughly below there, roughly at the 101 level would be good. So there's good pippage in that. The daily looking like it wants to break this level, so we'll just have to keep our eye on it. But let's just quickly go to the Australian. Now the Australian is basically forming a bull flag. Okay. Now if this bull flag does break, this will coincide with the Australian CAD and also the US dollar. It will give us a target of 110. Okay, so, and that's already a previous target of this bull flag here. So it looks like it's just flagging at the moment, and we're going to get another break. US dollar is obviously on its way down, so it looks like it's going to be of that. Now the Swiss, I've also got a position on here. It looks like we are testing resistance, but there's plenty of pips to be had. This is Jay Bowman from Forex Trading Vids signing out. Thank you.